President Bola Tinubu was conferred with chieftaincy title yesterday in Anambra State, which was 8th of May 2025. The president visited Anambra State and commissioned some of the projects.
The way you do it, I'm going to count 3 times. I'm going to put it around your neck. First time, second time, and the third time. And I'm going to count in Igbo. Ofu, Igbo, should I go ahead? Ita,
Some of Igbos that love Igbo culture express their displeasure on how Igbos that are in charge of their affairs throughout Igbo chieftaincy titleships without regarding how Igbos value their culture. Many are of the opinion that before an Igbo man receives this kind of chieftaincy title, he will pass through a lot of rigorous processes before this kind of title can be conferred on him. Yesterday's presidential visit was full of surprises. You can see large number of youths who are displaying APC flags everywhere. You can see them. These are the APC supporters in Anambra State who welcome President Bola Tinubu to the state. So many people could not believe what they saw. So many people were saying that President Tinubu has this kind of supporters in Anambra State, especially the youths. Despite the way Nigerian economy is going. This was when the president arrived at Anambra Airport, which is Chinua Achebe International Cargo Airport, Anambra State.
Yes, my very rich food. Very rich food. That's the recipe for.